Hello, my name is Kyra Magnuson. My endangered species project was on birds, and I chose the Bubo scandiacus, that is the snowy owl. Physical features of the Bubo scandiacus. Males develop to be fully white, while females continue to have dark spots on them. These dark spots on the females stayed with them since they were young. Baby snowy owls are born to be fully brown/gray. They have hooked and bristled beaks, yellow eyes, immense bodies, rounded heads, and thick and fluffy feathers by their legs to make them seem more buff while they sit. These owls weigh up to 4 pounds and are North America's heaviest owl. Their length can get up to 25.5 inches, while their wingspan can get up to 63 inches. These are a few pictures of the snowy owl. On the left, you will see the male. The male is fully white and has yellow eyes. And the female is also white, but the female has these dark brown spots on them that stay with them since they were young. As you can tell, the male and the female it's really easy to tell the difference between the two because of these spots that the females have. And they both have yellow eyes, so they have that in common also. This is a picture of the baby snowy owl. As you can see, they're fully brown and they will develop more white once they get older, but for now, they're just going to be brown. Migration. While breeding, the Bubo scandiacus lives in Greenland, Russia, Scandinavia, Canada, and Alaska. During migration, they can be found in the northern part of the United States and southern Canada. They can also be found in New England, eastern Canada, the Midwest, and the Pacific Northwest. This is a map of where the snowy owl resides. So the purple is where they live in the winter. And as you can see right here, at the UP, it is purple. So that means that they can be found where we live, but I personally have never seen one. The migration is the yellow, so right here. And then the light green is where they live year round, so right up at the top of Canada. And then the light orange is where they live in the summer. And as you can see, the blue and the dark orange are not seen on this map. That is because they are not found here in this area. Where the snowy owl can be found. They can be found on the shores of oceans and lakes, agricultural fields, and even on airport lands. The owls like to fly and stay close to the ground, so that's where you most likely see them. Diet. The snowy owl eats mostly lemmings and eat more than 1,600 lemmings a year. They can also be seen eating ducks, seabirds, mice, fish, and Arctic hares. These owls are diurnal, which means that they will eat at all times of the Arctic summer. Pellets are regurgitated by the owl to prevent it from any intestinal congestion. The pellets include parts like fur, feathers, or bones of their prey. Females hunt more successively during the winter than juveniles. This is another picture. So on the left, you will see a lemming. So this is the snowy owl's main food source. They eat mostly lemmings. And on the right, you will see the owl pellet. So the owl pellet is what the snowy owl regurgitates or throws up, and it includes any fur, hair, bones of their prey. Extinction. There are roughly only 280,000 snowy owls left in the world. Humans are the biggest predator to these owls. They get hunted for their prized eggs. They struggle to find a sufficient and reliable food source. Other animals that hunt these owls are wolves, eagles, and foxes. This is a picture of the snowy owl's eggs, and humans really most likely hunt for these eggs, and that's why they kill them. These are their prized eggs. Migratory Bird Treaty Act. The Migratory Bird Treaty Act protects the snowy owl. Anyone known to violate the act will be penalized by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Services. Violators can be prosecuted and be given jail time, penalties, fines, and can even be arrested. And here are my sources. Thank you for watching my presentation. I'm looking forward to watching all of yours.